Imagine growing a brand new plant from just one leaf. No seeds, no stems, just a single leaf placed in soil. It sounds impossible, but some plants can actually do this. Today you'll discover 5 plants that can regrow completely from just one leaf. Some of these are probably sitting in your home right now. And plant number 3 can create 10 new plants from a single leaf using a simple technique most people have never heard of. Whether you're new to gardening or want to multiply your collection for free, these 5 plants will show you just how easy propagation can be. Let's dive in. Plant number 1 is the African violet, and it might be the easiest flowering plant to clone. This popular houseplant with fuzzy leaves and colorful blooms has a hidden talent. African violets can regenerate entirely from a single leaf cutting. Here's how it works. Remove a healthy leaf with about an inch of stem attached and place it in water or moist soil. Within a few weeks, the leaf develops roots. Then something remarkable happens. Small baby plants begin forming at the base of the leaf stem. These plantlets grow their own roots and can be separated to become independent plants. What makes this so reliable is the African violet's ability to produce new growth directly from leaf tissue rather than seeds. One mature plant can give you dozens of new African violets throughout the year. The key is choosing a healthy leaf from the middle row, not the oldest outer leaves or youngest center ones. Within 2 to 4 months, you'll have a fully rooted new plant ready to bloom, identical to the parent. Plant number 2 might be the simplest plant propagation method you'll ever see. The jade plant is a succulent known for its thick, glossy leaves and tree-like growth. A single jade leaf, when removed and left to dry for a day or 2, will develop both roots and a new stem. The process is almost effortless. The leaf contains enough moisture and energy to sustain itself while establishing roots. Just place the dried leaf on top of soil or even on a windowsill. Within weeks, tiny roots appear from the base, and shortly after, a miniature jade plant begins to sprout. This works because jade plants evolved to survive harsh, dry conditions. In their natural habitat, a fallen leaf can become an entirely new plant. Here's an interesting detail. Jade leaves don't even need to be buried. Just laying them on the soil surface is often enough. The parent leaf gradually shrivels as it transfers nutrients to the baby plant. Within a few months, you have an independent jade plant that will grow into the same thick-trunked, succulent as its parent. You thought that was impressive. Plant number 3 can create 10 new plants from one leaf. The Begonia Rex has large, colorful leaves with stunning patterns. But here's what makes them special. You can cut one leaf into several sections, and each section can produce a new plant. The secret is in the leaf veins. When you make cuts across the main veins and lay the leaf flat on moist soil, new baby plants emerge directly from those cut points. Some growers score a single large leaf in multiple places, pin it down to soil, and within weeks, tiny begonias sprout from each cut. One leaf can produce 10 or more new plants. These veins contain special cells that can transform into entirely new plant structures. It's the same regeneration ability that lets some animals regrow lost limbs. For gardeners, this makes Begonia Rex incredibly generous. You can also use the simpler method of placing a whole leaf with stem in water until roots form. But the vein cutting technique shows just how powerful plant regeneration really is. Plant number 4 is perfect if you want multiple plants from one cutting. The snake plant is a low-maintenance favorite that propagates beautifully from leaf cuttings. Here's what makes it unique. Take a single tall leaf, cut it into sections about 3 to 4 inches long, and each section can become a new plant. The important detail is orientation. You must plant each section right side up, meaning the end that was closest to the soil goes down. If you plant it upside down, it won't root. Each section develops roots from the bottom edge and sends up new shoots from the base. The process takes patience, often 2 to 3 months, but it's almost foolproof. Snake plants store water in their thick leaves, giving them the energy to establish roots without a parent plant. One thing to note: if you propagate a variegated snake plant with yellow or white stripes using leaf cuttings, the new plants often revert to solid green. The variegation doesn't always transfer through leaf propagation. For true variegation, divide the root ball instead. Still, for multiplying snake plants quickly and easily, leaf cuttings work great. And plant number 5 might be the fastest rooting plant on this list. Peperomia is a diverse group that includes hundreds of species, many with thick, decorative leaves perfect for propagation. Peperomias are often overlooked, but they're among the easiest plants to multiply from leaf cuttings. Remove a single leaf with a short stem, place it in water or soil, and it will root within a couple of weeks. What's particularly nice is how quickly this happens. The thick, semi-succulent leaves hold moisture well, supporting rapid root development. Some varieties show roots forming in water in as little as 7 to 10 days. Once roots are established, small plantlets emerge from the base of the leaf stem. Peperomias are compact plants that don't take up much space, making them ideal for apartments or small homes. Propagating them from leaves means you can create an entire collection without buying multiple plants. Plus, they come in incredible variety, from rippled to smooth, deep green to variegated. Each type propagates the same way, so once you learn the technique with one, you can apply it to dozens of others. It's a simple process that turns one leaf into a thriving plant in just a couple of months. So there you have it. 5 incredible plants that regenerate from just a single leaf. African violets, jade plants, Begonia Rex, snake plants, and peperomias. Each one uses the natural power of plant cells to create roots, stems, and entirely new growth from leaf tissue alone. It's one of nature's most accessible forms of propagation. Which of these plants would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more simple plant growing tips. New videos every week to help you grow your indoor garden. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.